Get frosted. Yeah, there's frost on the ground. Well, good morning, Bobby. I'm going to show you this pathway, what I got going on so far. Yeah, takes you up there and up around to where the hop spines are. We'll walk you right down. You got to see it. It's really good. Right there is where the hop spines come up. You can see where they are on top on the pole. Are they growing about 20 feet up? Anyway, now I got to get all them rose bushes out and get all this garbage out of here. Haven't got this far yet, though. This is my second leg out here. Still working on the first leg. Oh, glory to Jesus Christ.